Everybody, welcome to this episode of Millennial Motoring. We're taking the S2000 to its first track day out at Streets of Willow. We're going counterclockwise, which is, that's turn 14, turn 1's down in the skid pad. And so far, because I'm a beginner and I haven't done a track day with Speed Ventures before, got to do the blue run groove. So we're doing lead follow instruction. Next session, we're going to practice point bys. So the third session, I'll be on my own and be able to set some lap times. But for now, car's fine. It's just kind of pacing, so we're good to go for now. And in the meantime, we're taking pictures. run group, and according to the timesheet, I was also fastest of the purple group, which I wasn't in. I did a 1:34.9, and this thing is dead stock. I definitely know where I can make up time, so next session starts in 20 or so minutes, so hopefully I'll be able to improve my time, and I think it's just a matter of using second gear in a few different locations, like turn 2, I should probably be in second gear, hairpin going, try some different braking points, and see if that can improve my time as well, so see how it goes. So that's it for the first track day with the S2000. Car felt really good. In that last run, I made a tire pressure change, and I was using second in a few corners that I was previously using third, and that melted 2.1 seconds off of my time, so felt pretty good. I'm really happy with that 1:32.8. I did make some mistakes on that lap, so I cleaned the lap up, cleaned my line up, and I can probably shave a good amount of time off of that even still. I'm really looking forward to going back and improving my time and just kind of getting more familiar with the car. I've only had the thing 6 months, so it's been a fun summer with that car, and going into fall and winter, I think it's going to be even more fun doing more track days with this thing and getting used to it, getting faster, just having a good time. So again, Speed Adventure's putting on a great event, and the corner workers spending their Saturday out there just waving flags for us. So thank you to you guys for sitting out in the sun and the wind. And yeah, Speed Adventures puts on fantastic events. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like and subscribe. And I did some Speed Adventures autocrosses in the past, so you can check out those videos on this channel as well. Stay tuned for more S2000 track days, and I'm trying to convince my dad to bring the Corvette on one too, so hopefully we can get that Vet on Big Willow, which would be pretty cool.